I'm Samanta Dasgupta, the student secretary of the great school Aditya Villa Bani Bharati. It's an emotional moment for me that from LKG to class 12, how time flies, we don't know. We just came that day only with tears in our eyes, and now we are living with lots of memories, enjoyment, and tears. গত বছরই আমরা আমাদের আগের সিনিয়রদের আমরা ফেয়ারওয়েল দিয়েছিলাম। তখন কেউ আমাকে বলেছিল যে আমাদেরও ফেয়ারওয়েল এরকম হবে। তখন আমি বলেছিলাম যে আমাদের এখনো 1 বছর আছে। তো কি করে যে ঘড়ির কাঁটা এত তাড়াতাড়ি চলে যায় আর 1 বছরে যে আমরাও ফেয়ারওয়েলের জন্য তৈরি হয়ে যাই আমরা জানি না। LKG থেকে ক্লাস 12 for the long 14 years I saw many happy sad moments. I saw many to go and many new to come. Each and every memory a phone can't hold in its camera, but the brain carries each and every memory spent with the wonderful teachers, good friend, environment and school. Aditya Villa Bani Bharati is not just only a name, it's a place filled with emotion. It's a place filled with good environment, good people, teachers, friends, education, co-curricular activities. And the last thing I will say that when I come to the school, I was just crying that I will not go to the school. Now when it's the time to leave, I am again sad that I have to leave the school. But this means we are having no option but to go. Thank you.